faster, more stable, larger. Powering ceramic 3D printing move towards true industrialization. That is ADT's industrial-grade ceramic 3D printer. It adopts advanced DLP forming technique, carrying a 4000 high-precision UV projector. With its upright top-down design, peristaltic pump, dual scrapers, and circulating material system, it ensures precise layering and curing of each ceramic slurry layer, greatly improves printing efficiency while keeping the process stable and continuous. Maximum print size 288 x 160 x 120 mm. Shaping of 1400 cubic centimeter per hour. Truly solve the difficulty of low efficiency of large-sized parts in scientific research and production. With its mature batch printing process, over 99% of the printed parts perfect, greatly cutting testing costs and production uncertainties. In scientific research, large-scale printing opens up new ways to explore structures and performance, breaking the limits of traditional methods. Its open material system enables researchers try different formulations for diverse experiments and interdisciplinary studies. In industrial production, our large-scale printing solution is widely used in biomedical, advanced manufacturing, and thermal management, tackling the problems of long production cycles and low precision in traditional processing, giving strong support for industry upgrades and large-scale use. Until now, our solutions have been widely applied in 200 research institutes and innovative enterprises worldwide, facilitating material research and the implementation of scientific discoveries, upgraded performance, reliability, and versatility. That is ADT's industrial-grade DLP ceramic 3D printer. Follow us and start your innovation journey now.